There's a lot that goes into managing a fleet. Lost information and endless paperwork can make it a nightmare. That's why we built Runboard-pro Fleets, one powerful platform that keeps your entire fleet in sync. Upload a rego or insurance policy once, and Runboard-pro Fleets auto-creates the reminders for you. Registration, inspections, maintenance, you'll never miss a deadline again. And whether you work in a list, board, or calendar, planning your week takes minutes. Drivers can see these tasks, conduct guided vehicle inspections, as well as log fuel or maintenance expenses straight from the RunTRAC mobile app. Snap a receipt and it's instantly tied to the right vehicle. Approve, decline, or flag these expenses in seconds. Over time, you build a crystal clear cost history that shows exactly where your money goes. No chasing, no confusion. Combine dispatch and fleets to unlock a complete view of fleet performance. See your true cost per job, per vehicle, even per driver. Track trends, compliance rates, utilisation and efficiency, turning guesswork into measurable savings. Every truck, van, car and trailer stored in one place. Permits, warranties, insurance, certifications, always up to date, always connected back to the right vehicle. Got a question? Like, does my trailer insurance cover off-road? Just ask. Our AI will find it. And soon you'll get live health insights, catching issues before they cost you. Runboard-pro Fleets keeps your fleet compliant, cuts costs, and closes the gap between the office and the road. Less admin, fewer surprises, and more time making money. Drive smarter. Start today with Runboard-pro Fleets.